It takes more than a fresh coat of paint, slapping the home on MLS, and snapping a few pictures and throw it up on social media to get your home ready to sell and get the maximum return on your investment. Hey, I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate, and I have 5 things you need to do before you sell your home. The first things you need to think about is exposure. Even if it's a hot seller market, the more eyes you get on your home, the more return you will see on your home. In fact, a statistic from the National Association of Realtors is that 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they have seen online. We use digital marketing techniques and make sure we expose your home to the masses. We also use targeting techniques both locally and outside of the area to make sure that people who are looking for home like yours see your home. Next is you want to hire someone who is really good at negotiating. Another recent report from National Association of Realtors is that most agents will sell under 2 homes per year. Selling over 100 homes and being a certified negotiator expert, I know how important being an experienced negotiator and agent play in selling process and making sure you get the most amount of money and best term from your sale. The last things to consider are price, condition, and of course location. Here's the deal. Everyone thinks their home is worth more than it really is. And you all know there are sites where you can go online where they can tell you the value of your home. And that often makes expectation worth. It's totally normal though. But these algorithms don't take into account things like upgrade you or whether or not you have a pool. All 5 of these things can have a huge impact on the type of return you will get on your biggest investment, your home. Everyone knows a realtor, but before you sell your home, find a real estate expert who will make sure and will market your home, negotiate expertly on your behalf, and who understand the role that price, location, and condition plays in the sale of your home. Our DBK Real Estate team is highly trained in all of these and would love to help you in the sale of your home. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate, and we're here to help. Always make sure to reach out to us. You can call, text, or email us if you have just a question or would like to have your consultation. We'll be more than happy to help. And remember, at DBK Real Estate, my team and I, we have the result that will move you.